Hey everyone, you're watching GetAssist.net and I'm back again with another video where I will show you how you can use this new feature introduced by WhatsApp, that is now you can add voice recording on your status. So let's start with the video. Alright, so WhatsApp has recently introduced this feature where you can now add your voice recordings as your WhatsApp status. So if you will go to WhatsApp and if you will go to the status section, here you need to press the pencil icon. And now if you will see just above the keypad, you will see two options. One is to select the contacts with whom you want to share the status, and you can also add a voice recording. So keep this in mind that you cannot upload any of your previously saved recordings. You can record at the moment and then you can set it as your status. So what you need to do is simply press this microphone icon, record whatever you want to post, and that's it. You can even listen to this message, record whatever you want to post, and that you can even delete it and create a new voice recording, and that's all you need to do. So yeah, that was about the latest update from WhatsApp about voice recordings. You can now add voice recordings as your WhatsApp status, and that was it for today's topic. If you found this video helpful, do give it a thumbs up and do share it with your friends. And if you have any suggestion for my next video, do let me know in the comment section down below. And for now, I will take the leave. We'll see you the next time.